This piece of trail along the driveway of the property here, I thought it was pretty neat because you were riding on a like an off-camber ledge next to a pretty considerable drop off there. And here is one of the few very steep downhills that they had there. It's pretty cool. Sort of like what I imagine mountain biking downhill would be like, I guess. Then deep mud pit. Nice gentleman to direct you to your line there. Nothing like getting your back tire nice and snotty before going up some tree roots. So we managed it there. There we go. Here's another look at some off-camber technical piece of trail, and then this downhill. It doesn't look like much in the video, but that was a sheer wall. A little subtle foreshadowing here.
You're all right?
Coming up here was my favorite hill climb of the day. It was incorporated into the trail here.
Good girl.
And again, nothing like single tracking next to a 60-foot fall. And a tight squeeze, we're stuck. Alright, now this part of the video, this is the hill climb that I found myself on by mistake, and the video tells the rest of the story here.
I got you. I'll just go this way. Yep. Thank you. Take a breather if you need, man. It's a hard hill. Is there any bypass from here? Bypass? That's a bypass, but it gets tricky right there. So there's really no bypass for this hill today? At the very bottom there is. You committed to it. Oh, where do you go for the bypass if I don't want to do it next time? Straight. Okay. I remember last year this hill, or 2 years ago, I took a bypass lane here. Not a problem. Yep. If you just go straight, you'll hit the bypass. Is there any getting down? There really isn't, man. I'm halfway there, huh? You're halfway there. I'll take me a little. There are like 5 people up there to help you, so. Cool. And there's some people stopped in the way though. I would go down right there when it's open and second gear. Yeah. Kind of lug it up, huh? I made it pretty far. What? I made it pretty far. Oh yeah, you did good, dude. Not too shabby. Good, how are you?
I'm alright. Having a hell of a time though, but...
Yeah, this hill's pretty steep.
Fuck yeah.
Well, have a good day. I'm gonna try to, I think. Now, he told me go that way, but I kind of want to go right where that guy is. Right behind his shoulder and through those trees and then cut up there.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go right here.
Well, it's good to have a plan, but the reality of sand on top of tree roots really showed itself there. I also wanted to be careful not to launch my bike at any kids here. This dude in yellow really saved my day. Thanks again.
You're my hero. Holy smokes!
This time coming through the enduro cross section is after that struggle, life or death, to get up that hill there. And again, feel whooped, feel like pulling over and quitting. But then how are you going to do that when your wife and kids are cheering for you like that over there? Pop a wheelie over a couple of logs and get back after it. Blow a kiss to your cheering section, see your 13-year-old spinning his shirt around his head like a helicopter, and dive back into the woods. Alright, for now, stay tuned for parts 2 and 3 coming up. Thanks for watching.